In this video, I'll show you how to add a secret in GitHub Actions. First, sign into your GitHub account and open the repository where you want to add a secret. Next, click the Settings tab at the top of the repository page. In the menu on the left, scroll down to the Security section, expand Secrets and Variables, and then click Actions. Now, click the New Repository Secret button. In the Name field, enter a name for your secret using uppercase letters and underscores if needed, such as API_key or secret_token. In the Secret field, paste the value you want to store securely. After that, click Add Secret to save it. Your secret will now appear in the list of repository secrets. For security reasons, GitHub won't display the secret value again after it has been saved. Finally, you can use the secret in your GitHub Actions workflows by referencing it with the secret's context, such as secrets.api_key. This allows your workflows to access sensitive information without exposing it in your code. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add a secret in GitHub Actions. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.